welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited to show you guys what I got in the mail today. And as you can tell from the title, FENTYSKIN, and everything right here. It just came today. But before we get into this video, please make sure that you do subscribe. Go ahead and press that notification bell as well so you can be notified the next time that I do upload. Yeah, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Martinique, and yeah, I like to review beauty things, especially skincare things, so I'm very excited to bring you guys this video. So the launch date, it looks like the launch date was July 31st. However, I was one of the individuals that signed up for early access. Let's talk about that real quick. So I signed up for early access. I was able to purchase the items a little before 12 a.m. midnight Eastern Standard Time, and I was really excited. And at that time I was trying to get the one-day shipping because I wanted to go ahead and record this video, throw it out as soon as possible, because you know, with YouTube you kind of have to be the first with things. But I don't know what happened with the cart, but it ended up only doing the standard shipping, which I think is like between 3 and 5 days. I think that's right. So I was low-key a bit disappointed about that, but I'm kind of glad that I did not pay for the overnight shipping, because even having early access, what is today? Today is August 4th? No, I'm sorry. Today is August the 5th, and I'm not getting it until today. So I kind of feel like with early access, and this is for any brand in particular, if you're gonna have early access, you definitely should make sure that those individuals get their products before, I don't know, everyone else, because it kind of defeats the purpose. Other than that, that was my only disappointment or my only issue, but it doesn't matter. I still support Riri, because you know, we gotta, you know, back up our sisters. So FENTYSKIN is a 3-step skincare routine. We'll go with routine. So you have the FENTYSKIN Total Cleanser. It's called a Remove It All Cleanser. Then you have the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. And then you have the Hydra Visor. So the first step is going to be the FENTYSKIN Total Cleanser. Now let's see what it says about this. It's hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. Okay, so the next item is going to be, or the next step I should say, is going to be the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. It says it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. The final step in this skincare is the Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer, broad spectrum. It has SPF 30 sunscreen in it as well. This one says light as air hydration, invisible sun protection, defends and brightens skin while reducing the looks of pores. Okay, so with the total cleanser, I definitely suggest using a little bit. You don't need so much. It does foam into like a very luxurious feeling lather, if that makes sense. Definitely like the twist cap feature, so it allows you to, you know, just twist it and dispense it right into your hand, and then twist it back, and then that's literally it. First, it's like popping open the top. I like the feel of it. It doesn't really have a scent to me. Nothing perfumey. I mean, it has a scent, but it's like nothing to rave about. It just smells like, I don't know, a cleanser. If you're familiar with like Korean skincare, it kind of reminds me of their cleansers as well. Like, you'll lather it, because you'll see that I wet my skin first, and then I apply the product, and then I lathered it onto my face. But then I went back, added some water to my hands, you know, re-lathered that, and it made it look a little more foamy. Now the Fat Water, it is a gel type of consistency, and again it has a twist top feature as well, which I like that, because it just makes getting the product out way easier. This one I learned the hard way. You definitely need like a pea size, because I used too much. But what I ended up doing with that was just, you know, applying it along my neck, and it kind of gives me, again, I'm thinking of my Korean products, it kind of gives me like essence vibes. That's what the toner feels like to me. It feels like a Korean essence. Again, it doesn't really have a scent, nothing strong. It just smells like, I don't know, a toner. It's very moisturizing. And then the last product, of course, is the moisturizer. Again, I just love the twist feature, but I love the fact that you can twist it open so that you can use the product, twist it back to close it, and then when you're done with it, of course, you can just go ahead and get a new one. This moisturizer, it's like a pinky color, and this is the scented product that a lot of people are speaking of, because I read through some of people's reviews and they were talking about how it's scented and they hate scented products. In my personal opinion, and that's just my personal opinion, it's really not that perfumey. It is a perfume scent, but it's not enough to, I guess, I don't know, it's just not too much to me. To me, it's a light perfumey scent, but if you are someone who just hates perfumey or just scented anything, you might not like this, but it just, I feel like my face smells like strawberries. So that's the kind of smell that it gives me. And again, it's not too perfumey, but then again, I like perfume, I love scents. So to each its own. All together, I will say my face feels really, really soft. I do like that. It feels moisturized as well. Again, just want to note that I do have oily skin, so I'm interested to see how all of this does with my skin, and I will definitely keep you all posted. My plan is to use this for 30 days and then come back and give you guys a full review. So this is just a first impressions video, and then I wanted to show you guys all the different mechanisms of it and everything. And yeah, one thing I am excited to see is if it reduces any of the dark spots on my face, since products have a certain ingredient that is supposed to reduce your dark spots. So I am excited to see that. So again, I'll keep you guys posted. If you have to come back to this video and reference what my face looks like, of course, in the follow-up video, I will show you guys what my face looks like after 30 days. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions for me, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Are you picking up FENTYSKIN, or are you just gonna wait till everything dies down, or are you just not into it? I don't know. Let me know below, and yeah, until the next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.